and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to show you guys what I'm going to do. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be mounting the wall wood panels. As you can see, they're not here. Okay, so as you can see from that up close look, they're not connected to my wall. So today I'm going to be gluing them to the wall, and then I am going to be putting a new bed in here. I've ordered one from Overstock and I got a really good deal on it, and it's really beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to assembling it and showing you how it looks. So I'll be showing you clips as I work through this process, and I look forward to seeing the end result and sharing with you all.
Hope you got enough.
Well, I used one tube for each panel of the liquid nails. Does not have to be perfect. Yours is much prettier than mine.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be any better.
Trust me, much prettier.
I don't think so. I thought you did a good job.
I just stood up and back away from it and squirted it down, and it just went in blobs. Totally worked for me.
I think it needs to be up here better.
Okay, I have finished up with this wall now with Steve's help, and now I'm going to assemble the bed. It's going to go right here, and then I will make the bed so that everybody can see it. Okay, thank you everybody for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the little bell, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Till next time, bye.